So if you work in early childhood education, you might have heard the term pre-scaffolding, which really just means providing a structure so that when a child needs to access that information, they have context to put it in. So for example, if I was going to pre-scaffold a sensory jar, it might look a little bit something like this. So this is called a sensory jar. I have it here so that you can use it when you need it. And this is a really helpful tool. Sometimes my thoughts can be really clear like this liquid, and I can see things really clearly. And then sometimes my thoughts get really scattered and they're swirling all around in a big thought storm, kind of like this glitter jar. But sometimes if I can just focus on my breath and get back into my body, my thoughts will start to settle, just like this glitter, slowly. And if I pay attention and I can focus on my breath, eventually my thoughts will start to clear again and they won't be so cloudy and swirling around. And this tool can help me settle my thoughts just like this glitter. And if you need this tool will be here in the sensory check-in spot so that you can use it when you need it. And that's what pre-scaffolding looks like. Because if a child is feeling dysregulated and they need tools to help themselves calm down, trying to explain how to use a glitter jar when a child is upset is not going to do a whole lot of good. So explaining to them what it is, how to use it, and when to use it, then that information is already there because the brain doesn't know the difference between practice and real life. So if we can practice and pre-scaffold these skills for children, then they have then they have access to that information when they need it, right? So that when they are dysregulated, they know that this is there and how to use it, and they can go use it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and comment. And if you'd like to learn more, please click the link in my description to the Sensory Mindful Starter Kit. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Shana of Sense Mindful Integration, and please remember to mind your senses.